Hey guys, it's your girl Octavian here, and welcome to another Animal Crossing video that goes along with, what, five videos on my channel of birthday celebrations in Animal Crossing. And that's because, don't mind the billiard table, that's because today is Octavian's birthday. And I got him an umbrella because once he told me that he had an umbrella collection. And I thought that he would enjoy this birthday gift. And the birthday gift is an umbrella, a paper parasol. It is red and yellow and green. And I think that he will really enjoy it. Aw, he's hanging out with Aurora. Hey there, kitty cat. You're here to celebrate my birthday? Well, make yourself comfy. I really like how he set up his place. It looks really mystic and stuff. Talk to me. Sucker. Parties like this, with all my good pals, sure make an old octopus feel appreciated. That's to say nothing of the gifts. Say, you bring me something too? Sure did. Sorry if I came off sounding pushy. What say I open this one up? A paper parasol. Appreciate you going to the trouble of picking this up for me, kiddo. Thanks for your gift, kiddo. Really took the sting out of getting even older, you know? Yeah. Nice business suit, Octavian. I really like it. Birthday. Another one. Gee, I sure seem to do a lot of birthday celebrations in Animal Crossing. I mean, first there was Tangi's, and then there was Jacques, and then there was mine, which makes sense. It's my birthday, like literally 5 days ago, less than a week. And now it's Octavian's birthday, which is awesome. And so we get to have another birthday celebration. And I'm really excited. Especially since Octavian was my first octopus villager. Presently my only one. I really want to get Sucker at some point. He'll come eventually. Right now we got Octavian, and he's not going anywhere, because he's the only cranky villager I have. I'm not planning on getting any more. I have Glee now, don't I? I do! I can show Glee now for the birthday. Yay! Oh, it's so cute. Gosh, Animal Crossing. It just hits differently, you know? I'm glad I got this party. And Gnome Kitty Cat, thanks for coming in for bringing me a present. You're the best. You're welcome. Woo. Birthday. Okay. So, I have been recording for 4 whole minutes. I could do the rest of the amphitheater since it's pretty much all basically set up. I just need to move all the stuff over again. And I have a fully clear inventory, so I could do that real fast. I might regret it, though. Whatever. Let's do it. It'll take, like, 2 minutes. I'll clean all the rest of this up some other time. Did I fix... I don't remember if I fixed it, because I realized I did it wrong. I really hope I did. I don't want to do it again. Not you. Ladder. Oh, I didn't. Oh my gosh. Good thing I'm just doing this to spend more time in the video, since otherwise it's only going to be 5 minutes, and since it's a birthday special, I just wanted to, since I'm playing Animal Crossing anyway, this is going to be for my Monday video, I might as well just play more. Even though I really don't like terraforming. If it works right, terraforming can be extremely soothing. Otherwise, it's just a pain. Need stone path now. Hey. Really? There we go. All right, work with me. All right, I'm not changing it again. All right, so we need to put the log benches here. Okay. That looks better. Do I have to nudge it over one more? Nope, that's right. Okay. Okay. Place. Last one. Extra brick fencing, which I will put in somewhere eventually. Stools go up here. Not there. Yes, there? I think the stage is bigger. That's okay. Okay. Then we got the saxophone. I might change the layout for this, but originally what I really wanted it to be like was a jazzy, like a jazz club vibe. I think I'll change that though. Hold on. I'm gonna cut and head to the video until I grab all the extra stuff that I need. Alright, I have returned with two things, a drum set and an electric guitar. So instead of this microphone, we're going to have the guitar. That direction looks better. And back here we have the drum set. I don't have access to that. I wonder if we can customize the drum set. Very cool. And then up front, I'm not going to place the silver mic. I'm going to place the mic stand. Just because a silver mic is more conventional for recording-esque purposes. And a mic stand like this is more conventional for performances. And now we have an actual band-esque thing in our amphitheater. That looks awesome. I mean, I guess the saxophone's kind of an odd touch, but I like it. All I have to do now is place the floor lights. There's totally room for you to put a thing there. Place item. There we go. We have another one over here. Place item. Okay. Have one here. And we have one across the way. Lovely. I guess that means I can also count the amphitheater as finished. Again. Refinished? I don't know. Whatever. It's officially moved from the spot down there to this spot, and now all I have to do is finish the cleanup, which I'll just do on my own time. It's rather boring. So, I guess thank you guys for watching the video. Yes, I'm done. Birthday was very fun. And we finished the amphitheater, which is very exciting. So, yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.